Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if I told you one officer in India can act like a judge, approve designs, cancel them and even send you to High Court? Yes, he is the controller. Let's understand the controller. In today's lecture, we will discuss an important topic from the Designs Act 2000, Powers and Duties of the Controller, sections 32 to 36. This topic is very important for KSLU exams, especially for 10 marks answers. So, let's understand it in a very simple and easy way. The powers and duties of the controller with a funny story. Imagine a student named Ravi going to the controller and saying, "Sir, please register my design." The controller acts like a mini judge and says, "First, I will examine it like a court," which means he has civil court powers. Then he checks the design. If it is good, he approves it, and if not, he rejects it, showing his power to grant or refuse registration. Next day, Ravi comes back saying, "Sir, there is a spelling mistake." And the controller says, "Relax, I can correct errors," which shows his rectification power. Suddenly, a copycat appears with a fake design and the controller cancels it immediately. This is his power to cancel registration. Finally, if Ravi is unhappy, he says, "I will go to High Court." And yes, the law allows an appeal to the High Court within 3 months. So remember this simple line: controller is court plus registration plus correction plus cancellation plus appeal. And you can easily write this answer in exams. Let's start the session. In today's session, we are going to cover the topics: introduction, meaning, powers and duties of controller, sections 32 to 36, illustrations and case law, conclusion, and lastly, memory trick. So now let's understand introduction. The Designs Act 2000 protects industrial designs in India. But who manages this whole system? Yes, it is the controller of designs. The controller is responsible for examining applications, granting registration, protecting design rights. So basically, the controller is like the main authority behind design protection. Next slide, meaning. So now let's understand the meaning. The controller of design is a government authority who handles all matters related to registration, examination, protection of design. He has both administrative powers, means office work, and quasi-judicial powers like a judge. In simple words, controller is officer plus judge. Next slide, powers and duties of controller, sections 32 to 36 under the Designs Act 2000. First power, powers similar to civil court, means civil court powers. The controller has powers similar to a civil court. This means he can take evidence, administer oath, call witness. For example, if there is a dispute about a design, the controller can act like a judge and examine the proof. So remember, controller is a mini court. Next power, discretionary power in registration, means registration powers. So the controller has the power to grant or refuse registration. He listens to the applicant and then decides. If design is valid, then it is approved. If it is not valid, then it is rejected. Also, once he gives the certificate, it becomes final proof. Next one, power to refuse registration. So the controller may refuse registration if the design is contrary to public order or morality. it does not satisfy legal requirements. In simple meaning, if design is against the public morality, then it would be rejected. Next power, power to correct errors. The controller can correct clerical errors in applications or documents upon a written request along with prescribed fees. So it means if there is a mistake, controller can correct it. Next power, power to cancel registration. The controller has authority to cancel registration of a design on valid and genuine grounds. It means if design is wrongly registered, it can be cancelled. And next power, collection of fees. The controller's office is empowered to collect prescribed fees from applicants for various procedures. So he collects the fees from the applicants. Next one, confidentiality of reports. Reports made to the controller are not open to public inspection, ensuring confidentiality in proceedings. It means he keeps reports confidential but not to public. Next power, power to seek direction. In case of any doubt in administration of the act, the controller may seek directions from the central government. So he can take guidance from the central government. Assistance from central government. The central government may issue direction to the controller for proper administration of the act. Next one, appeals to High Court. So any order of the controller can be appealed to the High Court. Appeal must be filed within 3 months. The High Court decision is final. The court may take assistance of experts if required. It means if someone is not satisfied with the controller's decision, they can go to the High Court. So the here important points is appeal within 3 months, High Court decision is final, experts can assist the court. Next one, illustration. So let's understand with a simple example. Suppose a designer applies for registration of a new chair design. The controller examines the application. If the design is original, he grants registration. However, if the design is copied or against the public morality, the controller may refuse registration. If the applicant is not satisfied, he can file an appeal before the High Court. Next one, case law. Bharat Glass Tube Limited versus Gopal Glass Works Limited in 2008. The Supreme Court held that the controller must ensure that a design is new and original before granting registration. If a design is already published, the controller has the power to refuse registration. To conclude, the controller plays a very important role in the Designs Act. He ensures that only genuine designs are registered, wrong designs are rejected, rights are properly protected. So we can say controller is a backbone of design protection system. There is a one simple memory trick, CR3A, court powers, registration on powers, rectify errors, remove cancel design, appeal to court. So controller rules registration, rectifies, removes, appeals. Simple. So KSLU long question answer writing pattern. Just follow this structure: introduction, meaning, powers, illustration, case law, conclusion. If you follow this, you can easily score 10 marks. If this video helped you understand the topic, please like, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more simple law lectures. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next class.